Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about LegalZoom. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and search for LegalZoom. After that, open the first website that comes up the list and you will be redirected to this web page. Now, LegalZoom is a comprehensive online legal services platform that caters to individuals, families, and small businesses. It provides accessible and affordable legal solutions, including assistance with business formation, wills and trusts, intellectual property, and various legal documents. It aims to democratize legal services by offering a user-friendly interface and step-by-step guidance for customers to create customized legal documents without the need for a traditional attorney. LegalZoom provides services like registering your business, running your business, or business protection. You can try availing any service that is required by getting to the respective section. Despite its many benefits, LegalZoom has some notable drawbacks. It provides general legal guidance but lacks personalized legal advice, which can be insufficient for complex legal needs. The quality of documents and services can be inconsistent, leading to potential legal complications. Additional features and services often come with extra costs, making it less economical than it might initially appear. Now, if we talk about the price plans, there are 3 plans available: Economy, Standard, and Express Gold. Note that the plan fee depends on the state you are from. To get a detailed view of the services being provided, scroll down a little bit, and then you will be able to choose the right plan for yourself. So that's basically all about LegalZoom. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.